In this video, we'll demonstrate how to view your PlayStation Plus subscription expiration date on your PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about checking your PS Plus expiry date, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Under Accounts, choose Payment and Subscriptions. Next, select Manage your subscriptions. Here's how to view your PS Plus expiration date. Locate your PlayStation Plus subscription and select it. The expiration date should be displayed in the middle of the screen. This date signifies when your current subscription ends. You'll also find details about the renewal date on the same screen. If you wish to manage your subscription, to turn off Auto Renew, navigate to the bottom left of the screen and select Cancel Subscription. If it's already turned off, you may see an option to reactivate subscriptions. You have the flexibility to change your plan or repurchase it whenever you decide to reactivate your subscription. Checking your PS Plus expiration date is quite straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support motivates us to create more informative content like this. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.